Hello everyone, welcome to Meditalk Topon channel. If you are new to my channel, you must like and subscribe so that the notification will reach you when I upload any health related topic later. Let's start today's topic without delay. Mouth ulcer, home remedies. Mouth ulcer irritation, pain will be solved instantly. Just try this home trick. Home remedies for mouth ulcer. Mouth ulcer is a complex problem. Sufferers often suffer from this problem. It hurts a lot. There may also be irritation, honey, baking soda, etc. can reduce this problem. This is how the problem is easily solved. The number of people suffering from the problem of oral ulcer is not less. In almost every household, you will find people who are suffering from this problem. Now it is seen that this problem can be due to various reasons. In fact, the problem of mouth ulcer is called mouth ulcer, but this ulcer causes a lot of pain. In this case, the area becomes sore. Each red, the pain lasts for a long time. There may even be severe pain and irritation. The pain is worse while eating. Many people do not want to eat it. Actually, there can be many reasons behind it. Vitamin deficiency is definitely a factor in this case. Besides, it has been seen that this disease can also be caused due to various stomach problems. So every person must be prepared with this matter. This problem continues for many people. In their case, it is possible to solve the problem at home. Mouth ulcer home remedies. Let's know about the method. Baking soda to reduce mouth sore pain. In this case, baking soda can fix the pH balance of mouth. This is how inflammation is reduced. In this case, make baking soda paste by mixing it with water. Then squeeze it around. Hope the problem will subside soon. Coconut oil for mouth sores. Coconut oil is used in many cooking in Indian society. This oil is even said to be very effective in treating mouth ulcers. In this case, this oil has antibacterial properties. This oil even has anti-inflammatory properties, so you can apply this oil in that place. Honey. Honey helps us in many ways to reduce mouth ulcers. Now, it has been seen that many problems can be solved if honey is applied to ulcer. So, in this case, take a little bit of honey and apply it on that place. I hope the problem will reduce a lot. Salt water reduces mouth ulcer. In fact, salt has antiseptic properties, so salt water can be very effective in any inflammation. So you can gargle with salt water. So every person should keep this in mind. This report is written for awareness purposes. Consult a doctor before taking any decision. So far today, thank you so much for staying with me for so long. Talk to you later about any other health issues. Stay well until then, stay healthy.